Amazon's Cyber Monday is booming around the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here you'll find incredible discount of up 40% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up 7 of the kitchen gadgets Amazon that can save you a huge amount. So don't forget to watch till the end. All the mentioned product deals links are in the description below. Number 7. The ADBIU Undersink Organizer 2-pack is an excellent solution for maximizing cabinet space in kitchens and bathrooms. Its expandable height, 13.2 to 17.2, design makes it highly versatile, fitting snugly under sinks with varying dimensions. The 2-tier structure provides ample storage for cleaning supplies, toiletries, or pantry items, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. The pull-out sliding feature is smooth and practical, allowing you to reach items in the back without hassle. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the simple assembly process means it's ready to use in minutes. The sleek, minimalist design complements any cabinet interior. Overall, this organizer set combines smart design, convenience, and sturdiness. It's perfect for anyone looking to declutter and optimize under-sink storage space efficiently. Number 6. The Ski and Snowboard Wall Rack is a sturdy and space-saving solution for keeping your winter gear organized and protected. Built with durable, heavy-duty materials, it securely holds skis, snowboards, and poles without wobbling or slipping. The universal design fits almost any type of ski or board, making it ideal for families or anyone with multiple pieces of gear. Installation is straightforward, and the included hardware makes mounting it to a garage wall quick and easy. The padded hooks are a great feature. They prevent scratches and help keep your equipment in top condition. This rack also frees up valuable floor space, creating a cleaner, more efficient storage area. Overall, this wall rack offers excellent stability, smart design, and reliable protection. It's a must-have for winter sports enthusiasts who want a tidy, well-organized garage. Number 5. The ClearSpace clear plastic storage bins are a fantastic solution for organizing any pantry, fridge, or cabinet with ease. Made from sturdy, high-quality clear plastic, these bins allow you to see all your items at a glance, making your kitchen look cleaner and more efficient. Their spacious, open-top design makes it simple to store snacks, cans, spices, or beverages without clutter. Each bin features built-in handles, making them easy to pull out and move around, even when fully loaded. They're also lightweight, stockable, and versatile enough to use in bathrooms, laundry rooms, or closets. Cleaning is quick, and their durable design ensures they hold up well to everyday use. Overall, ClearSpace storage bins offer excellent practicality, durability, and a sleek look. They're perfect for anyone who wants a more organized and visually appealing home. Number 4. The Cutluxe 3-piece chef knife set delivers outstanding sharpness, balance, and precision, making it a valuable upgrade for any kitchen. Each knife is crafted with ultra-sharp Japanese steel, offering excellent edge retention and smooth cutting performance. Whether you're slicing vegetables, dicing herbs, or cutting through meat, these knives glide effortlessly with minimal pressure. The ergonomic handles are comfortable to hold and provide great control even during long prep sessions. The blades feel solid and well-balanced, giving both beginners and experienced cooks confidence while working. The set includes the essential knives needed for everyday cooking, making it versatile and practical for a range of tasks. Overall, this Cutluxe knife set combines premium craftsmanship with reliable durability. It's a stylish, high-performance choice for anyone who wants professional-level cutting precision at home. A great investment for your kitchen. Number 3. The HAUSHOF Cordless electric knife set is an excellent tool for anyone who regularly slices meat, fish, or large roasts. Powered by a strong 8V motor, it delivers smooth, consistent cutting performance without the struggle of manual carving. The cordless design adds great convenience, allowing you to move freely around the kitchen or dining table without being restricted by cables. The blades are sharp, durable, and designed to glide through fish, poultry, and brisket with ease. Its ergonomic handle provides a steady, comfortable grip, making longer slicing tasks feel effortless. Another standout feature is the quick-release blade system, which makes cleaning and switching blades fast and simple. Overall, this electric knife set is efficient, easy to use, and perfect for achieving clean, professional-looking cuts at home. A reliable choice for everyday cooks and holiday carving alike. Number 2. The 2-pack kitchen shears are a reliable and convenient addition to any kitchen, especially for those who prepare a variety of meats and vegetables. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, these scissors offer impressive cutting power, making it easy to trim poultry, slice through meat, or cut herbs with precision. The blades feel sharp and sturdy, delivering smooth performance even with tougher tasks. What makes this set even more practical is the comfortable, non-slip handle design, which provides excellent grip and control during use. The fact that they are dishwasher safe adds a layer of convenience, helping maintain hygiene with minimal effort. Having 2 pairs is a true bonus, one for everyday cooking and another as a backup or for separate food prep tasks. Overall, these shears are durable, versatile, and perfect for efficient kitchen work. Number 1. The Bamboo Cutting Board Set, 3-piece, is a stylish, practical, and eco-friendly addition to any kitchen. Each board is crafted from durable, natural bamboo, offering a sturdy surface that's gentle on knives, yet tough enough for daily use. The 3 different sizes make it easy to switch between prepping vegetables, slicing fruits, or carving meat without cross-contamination. What stands out most is the smooth finish and lightweight feel, making the boards easy to handle and clean. They also resist stains and odors better than many plastic alternatives. The built-in juice grooves on the larger boards help keep countertops clean, especially when cutting juicy foods. Overall, this set delivers great value, long-lasting durability, and an environmentally responsible option for everyday cooking. A perfect choice for anyone who wants a natural, reliable, and attractive cutting board set.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.